Hi, welcome to all of you for today's new session. We are going to discuss about in the series of preparing the half yearly exams. Okay, give me the answer for one question. Are you really want to score good marks in your exams? Everyone say yes. But if we again ask that, how can we getting your achieve? Then no one give me the answer because everyone having dreams to getting a good score in exams, but no one making a plans for their exams. And first we know that if there is no goal in our life, there is no aim in our life, no meaning of the life. Similarly, if you try to score good marks in your exam, but you have doesn't know the way to how can we prepare an exam. So how can we say that you can score good marks? Okay, reply me. A lot of people's running in the multiple direction, but what happened at the end of day? Doesn't it reach up? Nowhere. So how can you say that you are doing only hard working and getting good score without plan? Can you reply me? So if you are really want to change your life, to score good marks in your in exams, to preparation in such a way that to always follow five things. So in this video, discuss about the four important formulas in our Bhagavad Gita. First one is hard work and smart work. Every student is doing hard work in the life, but only 2% students are doing a smart work. Smart work means what? Without planning, preparation is only a gives zero result. So always follow hard work as well as smart work. Second thing is that continuity and always practice more and more practice during the days. Without doing hard work, it is not possible to achieve any goal. So if you are really love your life, love your student life, so start from now and start doing hard work without losing the time. Third one, be happy during the work. If you are unhappy and doing hard work, then it is possible that your result becomes very less than compared to other practices. Fourth one, always remember the important concept and formulas that are basically related to your subject, that is mathematics. So at the end of days, in every days, just observe that during a days, which work is not important for you and which is very important for you in your student life. Remove all the unimportant work and doing only important task. If you really and really want to more score and becomes a successful person in your life. So ignore the unwanted or unimportant things that certain happen in our life. So let's becomes our this session, and in this session discuss about how can we prepare our exams. That will be start from first week of October. So firstly know the important chapters for your mathematics subject, your English subject, your science, and so on. Note down all the important chapters, meanings, important terms in separate copy, and revise more and more and do hard work. Be happy. I think everyone do it and score good marks in every exams. Every students have capacity to improve themselves. But how? Everyone have books, copy, and most important, times. Nowadays, some students are always say that, sir, I have book, copy, all the materials needed for me, but I am unable to complete my task at the end of day. If I want to you, why are you not complete your task? They are always reply me due to some reasons, due to bad network, my mobile doesn't work good. So it is not important to pending all the work for next day. So start from today, and now note down the important formulas on your separate copy, pin on a board in front of your study table. Revise the important concept. Then no one say that you are not complete your task. Everyone happy. Your parents also happy if you getting a good score in your exams. And scoring a good score is mainly your task. So be ready, be punctual on your work. Don't think about any other matters. So now total 8 chapters are asking in your half yearly exams. Your question paper will be divided into two portions. First one is subject 2 and second one is object 2. Everyone know what is the meaning of multiple choice question, that is objective questions. But it is necessary to deal about what is the meaning of subject 2 in online exams. So subject 2 patterns contain fill in the blank questions, true or false, match the column, one word answers, and so on. Means only second one, objective means total 40 questions are asking for your exams, and each questions have 1 marks only. Okay, everyone think that all the questions are very conceptually. Questions are easy, but depends upon your practice and hard work. So note down all the important chapters that are asking on your half field exams. Integers, fraction and decimal, data handling, simple equation, line and angles, the triangle and its properties, congruence of triangle, comparing quantities. Remember only 8 chapters are asking an importance for your these exams. And one more thing is important, do hard work more and more. Without practice, no one assume that scoring a good marks. You know one story, ancient story, जो बादल की बूंद है, वर्षा की जो बूंद है वो कंटिन्यू मीन्स व्हाट, हमेशा वो एक एक करके बूंद भी टपक रहा है, वो स्टोन में क्या होता है, आफ्टर सम टाइम स्टोन विल बी क्रैक. सिमिलरली जो टॉपिक आपको नहीं आता है, जो आपको टफ लग रहा है, बट उसमें आपको कंटिन्यूटी रखना है, then it is not possible to you are not getting a good scores. So follow all these instructions given by me, and all the best for your exams. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are really like this video, you can share your best friend. So by the help of this video, may be possible that he is also getting, she is also getting, scoring and performing better. So once again, thanks for watching this video.